The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a couple gifting a few new kennels for their dog when something unexpected happened. Perhaps wanting to experience the same feeling as their dog, the couple entered the other kennel one by one. Ironically, the kennels automatically locked, trapping them inside. When they realized their mistake, it was too late. After thinking for a while, the husband found a clever way to help both of them escape. Tell me, what do you think about this?